Hey everyone! Welcome back to Alekhine Chess. Today, I've got a brilliant miniature game for you from Bill Wall, one of the kings of chess traps. This one is from the Alekhine defense and ends in just 9 moves with a devastating queen and knight checkmate threat. Let's break it down step by step so you can use this idea in your own games. First move to white e4, then black replies with knight f6. This is the Alekhine defense. Black invites white to overextend their pawns by attacking the knight early. Black's idea? Bait the e4 pawn and then attack the overextended center. Second move to white e5, then black replies with knight d5. White kicks the knight immediately, and black retreats it to d5, standard Alekhine theory. This move is very flexible, aiming to provoke weaknesses. Third move to white bishop to c4, then black replies with knight b6. White develops the bishop aggressively, targeting the f7 square, and black chases it with knight b6. Black wants to challenge white's piece activity. Fourth move to white bishop cross f7 check, then black replies with king cross f7. Here's the trap starting. White sacrifices the bishop on f7. This forces the king to capture and lose castling rights. Classic theme. Lure the king out to weaken the dark squares. Fifth move to white e6 check, then black replies with d cross e6. White immediately opens the center with e6 check. Black has to capture with the pawn. This shatters black's center and weakens the light squares. Sixth move to white knight f3, then black replies with knight 8 d7. White develops calmly while black tries to bring out the knight for defense. Black is trying to regroup, but it's too slow. Seventh move to white knight g5 check, then black replies with king f6. Black makes a critical mistake. Instead of going to g8, the king walks right into the trap by moving to f6. This is where things collapse fast for black. Better was seventh move to black king g8, staying safer and not walking into tactics. Eighth move to white queen f3 check, then black replies with king e5. White immediately brings out the queen with check. Now the king is exposed in the center. Black tries to run to e5, but that square is also dangerous. Ninth move to white knight f7 check. That's it. White ends it in style. This knight check cannot be parried effectively. Black resigns. Because if king captures on f7, queen cross a8 wins the rook. If king goes anywhere, mate is coming soon with queen and knight coordination. If you loved this quick knockout, smash that like button and subscribe for more dirty chess traps like this every week. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a trap. Comment below, have you ever played a trap like this? Or do you want me to cover more Alekhine defense tricks? Until next time, play sharp, play smart, and keep trapping.